we make our children responsible for this? So, Abhaji, I want to ask this question to you, and what suggestions you would give to our parents who are listening to us, that how we can help teenagers to take responsibilities? How do we make them
Thank you.
responsible?
Thank you, Lata ji. I think Komal, Shan, Chetna, we all are dealing teens. And I think the solutions are more or less the same. Only thing is that we need to put them into different pockets, right? The word responsibility is a very heavy word. आपने ये responsibility मुझे दे दी है तो imagine. So now it's like, this word is very heavy. It can be on anybody's shoulder and it is heavy. Believe me. Responsibility hai kya? It is a state of being accountable for something that we are supposed to do. Now, how do we make a child responsible? In fact, मुझे लगता है how early can we make a child responsible, or how can we inculcate in them a sense of responsibility? We all love our children unconditionally. वो जैसे भी है हमें सबसे प्यारे लगते हैं. They are the best. But we have to keep in mind that these children are the future of tomorrow. And as you say, a child is father of the man. Whatever the traits that we inculcate in them today are going to benefit them and benefit the society tomorrow. So let's be very sure and steady in what we do. Because teens, like Komal said, we all have gone through. And we've seen our children go through it. And yes, it was very easy for us to have that transition. It's not easy for these children. They are going through a lot of upheaval in the world today. They are going through a lot of problems in the world today, and their life is very fast. So this transition also has started taking place earlier than what it used to. First, our teenagers started when we were 12, 13. Now it is 7, 8 years. A child understands I'm growing up. So we think he is growing up, but he is going through a very difficult phase, emotionally and physically both. He is going through a turmoil. He's going through a turmoil कि जो मेरा comfort zone है, I'm leaving that. I want to make the transit, but still I'm not sure. And this is a great responsibility on the parents. But it is very tough for the parent to make a child listen. It is a battle, but a battle worth fighting for, I would say. Because if you understand a child at this time, because his perceptions are changing of the world, he himself is not at ease with his body, he doesn't know what to do. So this is the time for you as a gardener, to tend him, to mold him, to make him understand. And I think the most responsible part for the parent lies over here in these years, because these are the formative years where he would inculcate his own values for becoming an adult. So we have to be very careful in these. I think two major dilemmas which I see are the mobile, like we have discussed a lot about that, so I'll not go into detail about it. And others are the mood swings. We all have had a mood swings. We still have it. We had it when we were going through a hormonal stage when we were youngsters, and today also when we are adults, we also have mood swings. And mobile dilemma, I think today is the time where we ourselves have handed the mobile, that because of the academic, because of whatever, they are going through a lot of mobile time, which is a must, but some of it is not. So how do you handle that some of which that is not? I think there are a lot of apps available which you can keep a tab. You can go into discussions, you can talk about it and make them understand. Mood swings, of course, they can trigger, my God, a behavior beyond imagination, right?
Yeah.
But seeing these two traits, I think we need to divert them. Basically, we need to divert them when they are having mood swings and when they are going through a lot of mobile addiction. And I think giving them a voice and influence in major decisions gives them a first-hand practice. Here, I would like to share an experience which I have really seen it with my own eyes. Is my son's friend. When he was in 8th or 9th, I remember talking to his mother. They were a middle-class family, with the father being the only bread earner. So what they used to do at the beginning of the year, they used to sit with the child and talk the budgets with him. They used to tell him, "ये हमारा vacation का allotment है. This is for what we want to buy. This is for the entertainment," and everything used to be laid out. And if they wanted to have anything more, the other budget had to be cut. So it was very clear for the children. They were involved. There was a discussion about them, how the year was going to be planned financially. And today, when I see that boy, he's handling a team of 100 people under him, and he enjoys life. He has a well nest which he's created at the age of 30, and he's a very happy-go-lucky person. And I just met him, I think, last month, and he said, "Auntie, it is all because of what my father taught me, that how the budgets are to be planned, because he involved me in all those things at that time." So I think we need to understand that the teens need to be involved. जैसे आपने कहा भी कि हमें पता है कैसे करना, कोमल ने कहा. And then when you involve, there's a new insight to it. I think the teens need it. They need to hear it out. I think responsibility is on three levels. One is personal, one is interpersonal, and one is social. Social responsibility ke liye I'll talk later, but personal responsibilities towards oneself, where it is caring for our own needs, for my own timetable, for my own things to be done. And I think when he understands this, he understands the need to become organized. How his life becomes organized, because his all needs is done. He knows how he's to set timetable. Interpersonal needs में तो मुझे लगता है pandemic has been the best example, where we started understanding our parents, understanding our mother, understanding the sibling better, and that has become a labor of love that has gone into it. Social responsibility से मुझे लगता है, when they understand, we all are giving money to the children. I think that is one of the things that we all are doing it. So they know they have the money available, but how do they do it? How do they give it to the society? They have a responsibility towards the society too. Looking after the people who are not fortunate, looking after, caring for the public property, caring for the social justice, something which makes them aware that whatever you are saying, whatever you are doing is affecting others. It is not only you. You are not apart. Like man is a social animal, we all know. We cannot be alone. So how our decisions affect the others, whether he's happy, whether he's sad, it is going to affect it. So they need a lot of guidance which make them sympathetic, empathetic, full of gratitude, playfulness. Everything comes into it, I think. This word responsibility brings a lot of things on very different levels, and teens need guidance. Believe me, they are not growing up. And to make them, move towards confidence and skill. And if you give them just, responsibility, it's like making them go on a journey without a map. So they need to understand. Now, how do we go about it? बातें तो हो जाती हैं, but what do we do? I think there are 3-4 things which I've listed. One is set examples, set expectations. What do you expect of him and what does he expect of him? Just talk it out. Like communication, we have talked about communication is a must in everything that we are doing. Unless we discuss and get his own ideas, we are not supposed to make any decisions, like we say. So when he sets an expectation, which is very, under his means, he should be able to do it. Not something which you expect him to do it. और जब वो कर लेता है, उसे appreciate कीजिए. I'm not talking about bribing him. Appreciation, a pat on the back, like Chetna said, a little bit of toffee, a movie, ice cream, anything which he thinks, yes, I have done it. Other way of making a teen responsible is making a chores list. Bana lijiye. Believe me, it's going to be terrible when you tell him to me, you have to do this, you have to do this. No, it's going to be terrible. They don't want to do it. Even we don't want to do every day what we have to do. So he's a child, okay? But make it. It can be daily, it can be weekly, it can be monthly. And put it in a place where he can see. It's okay if he's not able to do some of them, but at least when it is there, he knows it. These are the things I've not done. These are the things I've done very subtly. Don't force him. He knows it. So he's going to do it. So that's one of the way of making him do his daily work. allow choices. By choices, I mean when you're buying anything, it can be a vacation, it can be a family gathering, it can be anything, because nowadays we are organizing Zoom. I think there's a Komal said that even I asked my, Are mujhe virtual background set karna hai, please, I don't know. Though my son has taught me, but I call him. Though, those little things of interconnections are always there. Mujhe nahi aata. So just leave it. They'll do it for you. They feel happy, you feel happy, and that is the time they come to you. Mama, ho gaya kya? Just now when you saw my connection conked off, the electricity was off. I called him. I said, "Bhai, jaldi karo kuch. Ye to chala gaya hai." So he said, "Acha, you do this, you do." So they was like, they were worried about me that Mama is on Facebook and she's not able to manage this. So that's what is, I think, a connection that shows. Okay. Now, one of them, very important, which I was talking to my batch of 11th yesterday was, I asked them, so I said, ma'am, we want to be trusted. And this I'm telling you firsthand from children who are 15 years old. I said, by trust, though I had already included all these points, but I wanted to get it firsthand from them. They said, ma'am, they tell us you won't be able to do this, but at least allow us to do it. Allow us to do it. It's okay if we make a mistake, we learn from it. And I think that's the voice they want to be heard. Allow us to do it. Yes, sometimes they'll say, no, 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 you won't be able to do it. I know it better, but let it be. Just let them learn it, whether it's good or bad, whatever. We have also learned from it. We have also learned from it. So trust them, right? One thing I would suggest over here is let them join a youth group. It can be the society, it can be anywhere, because from here they will learn the leadership qualities and the real responsibility. They'll take the role of a leader at home, in school, in social, if they are start at a very small level. Let them lead, let them suggest, let them go ahead. And last one thing I would like, respect the individuality. I love Khalil Gibran, which he says is that they are a part of you, but they are not you. They have to go forward. So accept and respect them and their choice. It can be contrary to whatever you feel, but when you respect and accept them, they also respect and accept you. So that's about my thing, the responsibility, because that was my responsibility. I hope I've done it in very short. So that's about it. Thank you so much, Lata ji.
Thank you so much, Abaji. And it was really, really wonderful listening to you all these points that you have shared with us. And yes, I think to be responsible, the most important thing is involvement. When we involve children, they become responsible. They show more, responsibility, and they